Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the first video of your first set of assignments. I know it's going to be a lot to handle this first document. It's going to kind of look like a lot, but this right here is probably more than you're going to have to do in any other week. The rest of it is going to be, find this document, work your way through this online lab. It's not going to be so much of follow these steps step by step by step. So I know this is a lot, but I know you guys can make it happen. This video is going to be about Microsoft Teams and EDpuzzle. So if you've never logged into Microsoft Teams, this is what it looks like. This icon over here to the left. Just double click that, get loaded up. You guys will not see a screen with this much stuff. You guys will only have whatever classes that you guys are registered for, so you will not be seeing everything that I see. You only see. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to use the practice class. It's down here. You guys will see whatever class of mine you're in. It should pop up like this. So that would be your first semester science class. Whether you're a full-time digital kid or you're a hybrid kid or you're an everyday kid, you're in one of those classes. So you just click whichever one is yours. For my sake, I'm going to use the practice class because I have this loaded up already. So when you guys get to your class, the first thing you're on is the post page. Okay, so this is kind of like if you guys have like a Twitter feed or Facebook or whatever, it's kind of like that. Whatever you guys type and you post in here is active and live. So like I just posted the first document in here so you guys could see that. If I type something down here, I type hey, if I enter, that's going to be posted up there too. Everybody can see it. When I post the guiding document here, it's also in your files. If you go to files, everything that I post will be here. So sometimes after a few weeks, posts is going to be kind of bogged down. There's a lot of stuff, kids asking questions. If you can't find whatever you're looking for, you just go to files, click on it. You'll see when it was modified. Whatever's most recent is what we're working on now. So that's where you're going to get most of your information. Okay. If you click on that document, it's going to open up what I posted for you guys. It's going a little slow right now, but what you guys will do is you'll just open up what it gives you, and I would suggest that you save a copy of that to your own computer. That way you have it, it's easy, it's handy, in case something happens and you're kicked offline, you still know what you're required for. So this is the first week's guiding document, okay? So I know it looks super long right here. It's really not that long, okay? If you look at it, it says this is going to be similar to how our weekly work looks, but it's aimed at helping you all get comfortable using Teams, EDpuzzle, and some of the features we're going to use regularly. So the goal of this week is that you guys know how to use all of our online tools so that the rest of the year is super easy for you guys. So you scroll down, you see the objective. We're going to learn how to use the technology, these essential questions. This will be the same each week, but with different questions. So like this week, we're focused on learning our online tools. So that's what we'll be using. Right now, down here, you see mandatory assignments. The following table of assignments must be completed this week. That you'll see each week. It'll always have a set of mandatory assignments. There'll usually be 2 or 3 things that you have to do each week. This week there's a lot more because we need to get signed up for everything. So right here, this video you guys are watching is this YouTube video 1. Okay? So right there you guys are doing video 1. You've made it this far. Fantastic. Alright, so that's the idea of our guiding document. From there, you would be like, okay, sweet, I finished this video. Now I'm done. Cool. You're going to go back into your Teams. You'll go ahead and click assignments. And then boom, we had an assignment that says Intro to Microsoft Teams and EDpuzzle. Okay? You would just click on that. It's going to look a little bit different for you guys because I see my grade book. For you, you obviously won't see a grade book. You'll see the assignment. You'll just do whatever it says. You'll click submit and boom, you're done with that first assignment. Okay? Also in this notebook, or in our Microsoft Teams, you have this class notebook. You guys are welcome to use within your notebook. You have a student notebook, and that's somewhere that me and you can both see and access. Whatever you type, I can see. So when you guys are watching videos, you're watching the EDpuzzle videos, you're doing labs, that's where I expect that you guys are taking notes. I will also let you guys use the student notebook on our tests. So whatever you guys have in your student notebook, you're welcome to use on your tests. So if you take good notes, then you can use them on tests, and that should help. This video is also going to tell you guys a little bit about EDpuzzle. So another assignment that you guys have later on, I'll pull it up. It's down here. It says register for EDpuzzle. Okay, it's got all these long directions here. What that's going to look like, you come to EDpuzzle, you're going to click sign up, you're going to click I'm a student. Okay, sign up with EDpuzzle, and then it says class code. Okay, from there you need to go back to teams, whichever class you have, you click on that class. Okay, make sure you click that one, and then you're going to go to your assignments that say register for EDpuzzle, just like we did for the assignments we just looked at and submitted. It'll have an assignment that says register for EDpuzzle. Once you click on that assignment, it'll give you a class code. Okay, put your class code in here, you click next. All right, after you hit next, the instructions say register for EDpuzzle. You're going to make your username, you're going to make your password. I suggest that you make your username and password. I go first name, last name, birth year. All right, so like mine would be John Metzger 1990. That's super easy. For your password, I would go first name, birth year. So like mine would be John 1990. I know it seems like it's easy. It doesn't matter if it's easy and somebody else like hacks it. They're just going to be watching your homework videos for you. So I don't think anybody's doing that, I promise. When you get registered, I need you guys to open a new Word document, okay, or open something in your phones or something on your desktop where you're going to save your usernames and passwords, okay? That is another assignment here that is called the Create a Login Cheat Sheet, all right? And I just ask you guys to open a Microsoft Word document through your Microsoft 365, okay? That's the same way you access your email. You can just come up, you can go to washoschools.net. We're going to click on students and parents. We're going to click on Teams Office 365. You're going to click Access Office 365. From there, you'll register, or you're not register, you already have it. You'll log in with your information that you guys have through the school. If you can't do that, please contact the office and they will help you. And from there, you can open up a Word document and you can just save that. And I would just type in EDpuzzle, whatever your username is, whatever your password is, boom, save it. You have that, you're good to go. You don't ever have to worry about losing that password. Okay, so I would just keep that document with you. That's the same thing I do. That's what my document down here is stuff. It's just all my passwords for everything for school. Just a good idea to keep everything there for you. All right, so far right now, this is video 1. Boom, you're bumping that out right now. Okay, we still got video 2, we still got video 3, we still got video 4, but those are going to be way shorter. Boom, we just started our login cheat sheet. So if you did that, you opened up a Word document, you saved your username and password. That one, oops, I don't know where it jumped. That one is already done. So you can log into your Teams and finish that assignment. That assignment's called username cheat sheet. Just click on that and say you did it, because boom, you're already done. And then I just talked you through how to register for EDpuzzle. So if you do that while you're watching this, or you go back and you do that now and you save that username and password, you've done this too. So in this one video, we just finished 3 of those tasks. Okay, so we're basically halfway done for the week, and it was only a 9-minute video. Okay, so what you should have gotten from this video is that you should know how to get to Microsoft Teams. Okay, if you don't have your username and password, you need to contact the office for that. Once you get to Teams, you'll see these classes, you will only see the classes that you are in. So you'll see one of my science classes. When you click that, it'll take you to the posts. Okay, in the posts and in the files, those documents that are the guiding documents are going to be the most important thing for you. You click that, and that'll be your step-by-step set of instructions for the entire week. Okay, so here, this document loads. This is exactly what you guys would see. This is your step-by-step instructions for the whole week. You just work your way through this list at your own pace, and by Friday, if everything is done, you're fantastic. We also saw the assignment section, where you'll go here after you complete this video, and you would click here, submit that, boom, you're done. You would also do the same thing for create a login cheat sheet. If once you do that, you will also have one that says register for EDpuzzle, and you will do that as well. So you finished 3 things already. Good job. Class notebook, this is where you guys will take your notes. EDpuzzle, I just want to show you guys real quick, once you get registered for EDpuzzle and you're logged into your class, I want you guys to see what you'll see. So once you are in your account and you've accessed your classes, it'll just be the class that you're in over here. You will see right here the assignment that you have due. There's nothing posted right now, but I want to show you guys something that you'll see just so you can look out for it. I'll post whatever kind of videos whatever we're learning about, you'll have a video about that. Sometimes it'll be me giving a lesson, other times it'll just be something kind of silly. Here's an example of something that I used in 6th grade with predators and prey. You would just click on the video. Once it starts playing, it'll start playing right here. The internet's going a little bit slow right now, so it's not working great, but you guys get the idea. If you need to see the closed captioning, you can click on the YouTube link, and that'll actually take you to the YouTube page where you can activate closed captioning. When you're watching the video, when you get to each of these little bumps, there will be a question. You're required to answer that question and submit that question before the video will continue, and that is part of your assignment. So that's kind of just a little idea about EDpuzzle. That way, if you guys are watching the EDpuzzle videos, you don't ever have to come to class and just see me stand up there while you guys take notes and yap at you guys for a whole hour. These videos, they max out at 15 minutes, so the longest video you'll have at a time is 15 minutes. So that's a good thing to look forward to. At this point, you guys are done with this video 1. You can check that off. If you saved it on your desktop, go complete that assignment. We also created a cheat sheet login. You can check that off and submit that assignment. And we also registered for EDpuzzle. You can check that off, go submit that assignment. There's also step-by-step instructions for everything if you guys need that as well. Alrighty. Hope that worked out for you. Hope this video wasn't too bad. Have a good day.